Go, Nick.
Go.
Alright, go.
Go, Nick.
Just wait.
I don't want to do it. Do we have to? Do we have to?
Yes, you have to.
No, let me see that spoon.
I'm not cleaning this up.
I don't want a lot. That is so much more than you.
No, It's
Okay.
not that.
What's the next challenge we're gonna do? Cinnamon. Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's so
It's fucking salty. It's like sperm.
I don't know what it tastes like.
It's chill.
Vinegar.
It's actually the one thing that you want when it's in your mouth. You just want to like. More vinegar. More vinegar.
Dump it. Chug it. Or just close your mouth and don't let it explode.
Close your mouth. Do it again and close your mouth.
Put it in your nose and close it.
my nose.
And do it.
Do
Do it. And close it. Don't open your mouth. Close it.
Fucking custy. Let's just clean this up.
Oh.
Okay, this is a wrap.
How are we gonna clean